Trying to set him up.
Whoa! Get up or get out the way!
Number 8. Lines up. Bucky looks like that.
Meet me at the rim and don't be late.
Raptors did beat the Clippers into town last night with the swirling winds hovering around Toronto. Big sign there with Terrence Ross knocking down the three. T. Ross pulls up, jumper no, tapped out. Here's DeMar underneath. And another opportunity as Ross cans it.
Well, it's going to be hard to get easy shots in a lane tonight against Jordan. Make those perimeter opportunities count.
Spinning, Valanciunas, shot no. Rebound underneath, that's Kyle Lowry coming away with it.
He's come to play tonight, Matt. You can just see it early.
Terrence Ross has made 3 threes in the first quarter.
That whole play, though, made by Lowry's hustle. Big time.
Sends it back up top to Lowry. A 6-point advantage for the Raptors. Lowry from deep. Here's DeMar. Good! DeMar DeRozan rings it up, and the 3 has been outstanding for the Raptors. Here's Terrence. Lets it fly, and Ross is on fire here. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Here's Ross. Bang on for T. Ross. Ross has got 15 in the first quarter. April 11th, 2004, as Terrence Ross drills the 3.
Great play sequence, Matt, after the timeout to get him a wide open look left corner. Get it to single digits. Can you get it down to 6 at half? You know, just I say this a lot, but close the deal.
There's 23 now for Ross. Vasquez to Patterson, quickly now to Lowry on the attack. Over Jordan. Jordan got a piece of it. Saved by Jonas Valanciunas, a shot up. No! And there's Terrence Ross with a 2-handed slam dunk. 77-76. How about that, Jack?
T. Ross got to the top. He got to the penthouse.
Oh, he's energized. A steal. Here we go. Ross crossover. Terrence Ross with 29 tonight. Lowry, T. Ross spots up. No, Lowry with the board. Lowry wings it to Ross. Ross in the lane. Ross has got 31.
They stole that pass from Vasquez. That pass was going to Vasquez.
Well, Ross is feeling it.
People tuning in, they're like, what?
Here's Ross. Ross has got 33. 10 in the quarter. Ross fires away. Yes, he did! Terrence Ross is the boss. Tied at 93.
For T. Ross, absolutely an astounding game right here. Not only knocking down the threes, he's made 8 of them in this ball game, but high-flying follow tip dunks, and just playing with energy, getting up on the glass with 6 rebounds, looking to take charge of this game, and no better time without DeMar DeRozan in the lineup.
24 points for the Clips.
This is a shootout, folks. Here's Ross. He's fouled. He'll head to the line.
Interesting development, though. Noah Mia Johnson, 19 minutes, 6 points, 3 boards.
4 fouls on the inside. Ross continues to fly. 40 points. A career high. Keep firing. Keep firing, Terrence Ross. You own it tonight, Jack. He owns it.
They're on demand, but they are battling, folks.
Terrence Ross. It continues. And why not? 46 points. What a show. Here's Terrence Ross off of the inbounds, and he's fouled.
And it's a fun night for him, though. Good for him.
Well, these nights, they just don't happen often. 50 points.
Nice, good crowd
for
giving him.
Ross. It wasn't to be. He tied Vince Carter with 51 points. Terrence Ross, what a night for him.